Throughout the videos in this section, you've learned everything you need to know to get started with using Vapor and created some apps. You know now how to install and use the Vapor toolbox to create new projects and generate your Xcode projects for your Vapor applications. You've learnt how to create basic routes in Vapor and also how to use parameters in routes. You should understand some of the basics of HTTP now and know what the different parts are to an HTTP request and an HTTP response. You also know how to accept JSON data from an HTTP post request and how to return JSON as a response. This is only the beginning. In the next section of the course, we are going to look at how to take all of our new knowledge and create a basic API that we would use for an application. We will learn how to organize our routes with controllers and how to interact with a database using Fluent. For this, you will start to be able to see the power of Vapor and how you could use it in real life. We will learn what relationships are in Fluent, how to perform queries, and how to integrate your application with MySQL.